What's up guys, it's Eva. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a room tour, which I haven't done in a long time. My room is like way different than how it used to be, but yeah, this might be a short video, I don't know, but let's just get right on to this video. I'm going to show you my bed. So this is if y'all hear like some random noises, loud noises, then that's her, because she's crazy. So this is some little tapestry thing I got from Dorm on Instagram, and this is my bed. If you're wondering where I got it from, because some people ask me this, I got it from IKEA. And so I just got, this is my bed. I got some pillows, a bear, pillows, stuff, yeah. And then this is my window. I got these curtains, and I have this plant. The lighting is so bad, but I have this plant. When I first got it, it was like so small, and it grew all this. And then up here I got these little string lights that are supposed to come down, but I don't want them to because it's just in the way. And then this is from this plant, but like I don't know, we did something and like repotted it or whatever. I have this and that, and then yeah. Girl, what are you doing? She's so crazy right now. And then I have this mirror that I got for Christmas. It's big. And these are supposed to be lights, but they need batteries. Yeah. So. And then right here, this is a little cat bed that she don't even use. And I got some of her toys in there.
But what the hell?
And then this is some random thing. Hold on, let me turn on the light because y'all can't really see. So this is a random little thing I have. It has two of these little plants, some deodorant, a candle, some lip liner, and some lip gloss. I just keep all that stuff right here. I don't know why. And then I have this random yarn and like these lash containers of lashes that I don't wear no more. Yarn, some stuff I did a long time ago. Candle that needs to be thrown out. Some more yarn. And down here I got some barrettes that I don't use anymore because barrettes, they're not that, like, you know how when everybody used to use barrettes in their hair. I got another lash case and some Pokemon cards. I don't know why I have them, but this is some random bowl with some incest, oh my god, incense dust in there. And this is a little skylight thing. I'll show y'all. I'm gonna turn it on, but it's not plugged in right now. And then, okay y'all, so this is what it looks like. It's like late because I'm editing right now and I completely forgot to like record the thing. But yeah, it's cute or whatever. Little stars. There's different modes, but yeah. And right here is a shoe with a freaking eyelash on it. So if you wear lashes, I know y'all got lashes everywhere. So I have this shoe, which y'all seen. I'm pretty sure y'all seen those. Some Crocs, and the other shoe, these pink ones, and then these. I just don't have room for them nowhere else, so I keep them right here on my little TV stand. This is my PlayStation. This is another incense holder, and then I got a little thing. And right here I have this little camera. It's for my cat. Oh, she right here, girl. What are you doing? Spying on me? You're so pretty. I did not know she was right behind me. But, and I have this on my gel because it's the best, like I can like stand it up right there. And I got this eyelash glue. I keep that right there. And then this is like a box full of my earrings, and then an eyelash that doesn't have another eyelash because I lost it, y'all. Please don't make fun of me. Got another eyelash right there, y'all. I have problems. Random nose piercing, whatever. And yeah, that's like this part of my room. Hold on. I'll show you these shelves right here. I have this little salt lamp that I got from Five Below, a fake plant from Five Below. Some stuff for my camera, and and stuff, some Febreze, lashes, candles, and this is an empty candle thing that I put my iconic wooden sticks for, you know, parting my hair. And then I got this fake plant from Five Below. And then I got this candle that I made with glitter, but it didn't really work out because it, like, the wick is like all the way down there, so it won't burn. Got this another fake little plant, and then another candle. And then I have this mirror that I made. I just took 3 Walmart mirrors and like got some little rhinestone like ribbon thing and put that all around it. These are like the $7 mirrors that you can get from Walmart. And then this is my TV. Yes, don't judge me. I play Fortnite. That's all I do all day. Yep, that's all I do all day. If y'all want to add me, hold up. Add me up there, period. It's the same as my, hold on, it won't focus. Same as my Instagram. I'll put it in the freaking description since it's not focusing. But yeah. And then right here, this is my kitty's little food and water. Right here. And then this is her litter box. This is the litter scoop, and I got towels, bags to put the poop and pee, and then a little broom thing, because she gets the litter everywhere. And then this is just a big mess where I keep all my hair stuff and stuff. I'll show y'all. So up here, this is a mic that I don't use because it don't work. And then in here I got, this isn't all my perfume, whatever, lotion and perfume stuff, but I keep that all up here. And the second one, I have little Pokemon. I have Dratini, Eevee, Charmander back there, and some random bear. And then I got another perfume. I don't know why that's there. And this is my hairspray. Other hairspray. Oh, this is a big mess. So right here, this is like brushes, all my brushes. Then this, like toothbrushes. Oh, it's so much. I have a lot. But it's all brushes and like a water bottle. And then this is not mine. This is my mom's, but my cousin left it in my room and I still haven't taken it out. But this is mine, and this is mine. And the lip gloss is mine. And then back here, I just got some other lotions. And then on this is kind of like random stuff, like real random. I can't even tell you what's in here. There's like so much. Phone cases, nail polish remover, nail polish, this thing, headband, like wax cubes. And then in this, more random stuff, you know, the eyelash curler, some lipstick that I don't use, a highlighter, whatever, mascara, what is it, hand sanitizer, eyelash glue, eyeliner, more stuff. Then down here is where I keep all my stuffs, like, not, girl, I can't talk, where I keep like stuff to do my hair with. And there's some more under here. Hold on, I'm gonna put it up because my cat be knocking all this stuff down. I got this little curling iron, a flat iron, blow dryer, another curling iron right here, and then a crimper. And then this is her little scratching post. Yeah. And then I got a trash can, my bathroom, which I don't use. It used to be for her litter box, but it's just empty right now. I don't use the bathroom though. Then my ring light. And then this is my desk. Hold on. So this is my desk. Got my computer, some cat treats, this thing, some books, like notebooks. Then inside of my desk, a bunch of random stuff, a pack of freaking lip gloss, calculator, scissors, a GoPro, a pack of gum, random stuff, tape, Sharpies. And back here, some random stuff. This is from when I used to have a fish stuff. And then over here, I got my crystals, my incense holder, all my incense, pens, markers, whatever. And then this bamboo plant, and then this is where I keep my lighters, and then a random candle. And this is my little side table. I got these wipes for my cat because sometimes she do not know how to clean herself after she poops. So, and then this is a random thing, the retainers and a LED lights thing and a portable charger, candles, my Alexa thing, remote, light, lamp, and then this is another lamp. And under here is a cat bed that my cat doesn't use. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hold on, I forgot to show you my closet, even though it's a mess right now, but this is my closet. Got a purse, fanny pack, a robe, all my shoes, and I got some scarves up there, and a little mirror, and hat, and my dirty clothes. And I keep all my clothes in here. This is, oh my god, this is so heavy, but it's full of perfume and stuff. And then this is a big bowl of lip gloss. And then this is my underwear and stuff. These are these are tank tops, shorts, sweatpants, jeans, and socks. So, but yeah, that was pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!